Hey folks, just quickly like to show you some of the functions and features of this math trainer. It is fairly user-friendly. It does come with a little instruction pamphlet here that is quite helpful. The first thing you're going to want to do is charge it up. There is a charging port right here. It comes with a USB cable. It does not have a wall plug, so you will need that. And then this switch here is your on and off button. So you're just going to want to depress that.
A little genius of mental arithmetic. Now, let's start the challenge.
Okay, so there are several modes here. So I'm going to go through them one at a time. So the first thing you have here is just a 50. This shows 1 out of 50. So it has 50 equations that the children are going to go through. So you have your 8 minus 5. So they'll put in 3. And then the OK.
Great.
And then the 8 minus 6, let's say they missed this one. So we'll say 8 minus 6 equals 3. So that shows you the little buzz that that it was incorrect, and then the correct number will flash. So now we'll move forward. So you just push this little return here to move on to the next equation. I'm sorry, you're going to push it OK, pardon me. So now 7 minus 1 equals 6.
Great.
1 plus 8, let's say, we'll say 7. Now you'll see, once again, it had the buzzing, and then it flashes the correct number, which is 9. So you have those, that's your first function there. And then you have all of these up here. So let's go through some of those. So this first one here, you have games. So let me go ahead and press that.
Remembering the numbers.
So this is basically memorization. So it flashes a set of numbers, and then they will go ahead and put in what they remember.
Great.
All right. So, and there is a little timer, a little timer up here. Now, I wasn't paying attention, so I honestly don't remember what those numbers were. So let's do this, and I'll show you what happens when you're wrong.
Please press OK to start over.
So it tells you to move forward, press OK. So now we have the numbers again. So once again, 9, 6, 8.
Great.
All right, so now we can move on to the next game.
Comparing the numbers. Please find the smallest number out.
Okay, so now you have your digits, and you have the time going, and I didn't do it.
Please press OK to start over.
So I didn't do it soon enough, which obviously would have been number 2.
Please find the largest number out.
So the largest number is number 8.
Great. Please find the largest number out. Great. Please find the smallest number out. Bingo. Please find the largest number out.
All right, so you just go back and forth there. So let's go on to the
Finding
next.
the rule out. Please observe and draw the pattern of numbers. What is the next number?
So now you have a pattern of numbers. So we can see, and there's a timer going. So 2 plus 7 equals 9, plus 7 equals 16. So 16 plus 7 is 23.
Please press OK to start over.
But I didn't get it quick enough because I was explaining. So let's do it one more time.
Please observe and draw the pattern of numbers. What is the next number?
So you have 3, 5, 7, which is 2, 5, 7, 9.
Amazing! Please observe and draw the pattern of numbers. What is the next number?
So you can see it to be 2 plus 4, 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 4 is 14.
Bingo! Please observe and draw the pattern of numbers.
Let's go forward here.
Addition strategies. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2.
So this is just going to go through
2
for you
3.
and just
1
keep going
plus
through.
3 subtraction strategies.
Now we have subtraction.
Minus 1 multiplication strategies. 1 division strategies. 1 divided by 1. Remembering the numbers.
And it go through again. Now we have the remembering the numbers. Now you have these function buttons here.
Number comparison.
So this is a number comparison. So 4 minus 3 in that equation we know is 1, which is less than 4. So you're going to push your appropriate buttons here, which that would be less than 4.
Amazing.
So we have 8 minus 1 we know is 7, which is greater than 1. So we're going to push the greater than sign.
Great.
Okay, so we have
2-digit addition and subtraction.
now we have a little bit harder basic math here.
Multiplication and division.
All right, so you have all of those function buttons. So that's this side. Now on this side, you've got a little drawing board, and there's a little pencil right here that comes out of this slot here on the back. All right, so you can draw. You can write equations on here for them if you want to, or they can even use it just as a drawing pad. So you can draw, or you can do 3 plus 3 equals, and you can ask them what that means, or they can take the pencil if they're able to at this point, if they're old enough, and write that in there. And then you have a button down here. So this is your, actually right here is your erase button. Okay, but if you want to lock the screen so that it cannot be erased, you can go ahead once again, and if you press this button, it's going to freeze that so it won't erase. So once again, you just push that button there and push that button to erase or lock it. That is about it. Lots of great features here. Great teaching tool. I would definitely recommend this, and I hope the review was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Take good care.